everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of this orange gel from Good Vibes. Good Vibes, if you don't know guys, is a very good brand and available in purplle.com, and this time I thought that I should give this product a try, and I have been trying this product since last 2 months. So here I am with the proper review of it. So if you are interested to know all the details about this product and how this works on me and whether you should give it a try or not, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, Good Vibes is a really very good brand and it is available in purplle.com. I don't know whether it is available in other websites or not, and I have bought this from purplle.com obviously, and purplle.com has some amazing offers going on now and then. So if you wanted to buy any products from there, so you can just wait for a good discount to come. So I think I got this product on a discount at 20% off, so that's a good deal I think. And this product is really amazing for oily skin and even for the other skin types also. So guys, we all have tried aloe vera gels at least once or twice, or maybe more than that. So this time I think that I should give this orange gel a try, because I found this really very interesting, because I have never ever tried any kind of gel except from aloe vera gel. So guys, Good Vibes has some different kind of gel products in their website, I mean in purplle.com. So they have orange gel, they have pomegranate gel, watermelon gel, guava gel, papaya gel. They have so much, and I picked this up because I really wanted to give it a try because it is really interesting. So this product don't have any mineral oil and parabens and sulfates in it, so a big thumbs up for that. And this is also cruelty free, so I think that most of the products from Good Vibes is cruelty free and they don't have parabens and SLS in them, so a big thumbs up for Good Vibes. So guys, this product retails for 215 rupees only, and this is a 100-gram product, so you are getting a very good quantity in it. And this is also available in a smaller bottle, I mean a smaller tub. So that is a 50-gram product, and this is also available in a bigger tub, which is a 300-gram product. And I picked this up because in this gram actually they have a good offer, I mean a better offer, so I go for this medium size wala tub. So you are getting a pretty good amount here, and the packaging of this product is also very nice. This is the standard Good Vibes packaging. I mean most of the products which I have tried from Good Vibes has this kind of tub packaging. So you are getting a golden color lid here, as you can see. And this is actually a plastic packaging, but this looks like glass, but this is not glass. So you have to remove this golden lid first, then you are getting again another lid which you have to remove, and here is the product. And as you can see guys, I have used almost half of the product. So guys, the texture of this product is very similar to the aloe vera gel, so I will show you the texture. It has a very light orangish color to it, but when you apply it on your skin or on your face, it barely shows any color. So it is actually transparent when you apply it, and it really absorbs in the skin very quickly, and it has a very strong fragrance. I mean the fragrance is not irritating, at least for me it is not irritating, but if you are fragrance sensitive, I don't know how this product is going to work on your skin, because I really don't have any experience with this fragrance issues. So this has a very orange juice kind of fragrance. I think you guys got me. So I like the fragrance actually, to be honest. I don't have any issue with this fragrance. I quite like it. So you can think that whether you can give it a try, I mean if you are fragrance sensitive, so it's completely up to you. So guys, oranges, if you don't know, have some amazing benefits. So oranges are very rich in antioxidants, which are very good for our skin, and it is also good to improve our skin tone and our skin elasticity. So guys, now quickly have a look on the claims of this product. So this claims that this will moisturizes and nourishes your skin, and it also protects your skin from free radicals and also controls oil production on your skin. So I think that is a very good product for oily skin girls out there. And I personally have oily skin, and I also have acne prone and sensitive skin, so this product works perfectly on my skin. So guys, I have applied this product as a hair mask, and I have also applied this as a sleeping mask, and I have also used it as a moisturizer sometimes. So if you want, you can also apply any kind of gel, aloe vera gel or orange gel or whatever gel you like as a primer. Yes guys, you heard me right, you can use orange gel or aloe vera gel as a primer. So you really need to take a little amount of it, and you can just apply it on your clear skin, and just give it a few seconds to set on your face, and then you can apply your foundation. It really gives a sticky kind of base to hold on your foundation for a very long time. Yes, it doesn't blur out your pores, but if you don't have that pore issue, then you can surely apply this gel as a primer, so if you want to. So that's it guys. So guys, this product will treat damaged skin and dull skin and oily skin also. So if you want to try this one, please go for the smaller version, because if it suits you, then you can go for the bigger version, or you can even buy the 300 gram wala big tub of this one. So at first, if you are going to try this, go for the smaller one. You can also use this product in some of your DIYs if you are into DIYs, so you can surely give it a try. And you can also replace this with your aloe vera gel if you want to. So I am going to try the other gels of this range from Good Vibes, because I really like this product, and after I finish this one, I will surely go for the other gels, and I will surely share the review of those products as well on my channel. So please stay tuned for that. And that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos, you will get notified. And also share this video with your friends, and do let them know that this gel is so amazing. And by the way guys, this video is not sponsored at all, if you are thinking so. No, I have buy this from my own money. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you want to give me any further suggestions for my video, I will love to know that. Please feel free to share those. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and the links will be in the description box below. And I have also shared the link of this product in my description box below, so if you want to buy this, please go and have a look. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.